Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news updates. Iraqi Minister of Trade, Atheer Dawood Al-Ghurairi, described the trade exchange between Iraq and Saudi Arabia as falling short of meeting the ambitions of both nations. The statement came during his meeting with the Saudi Commercial Attaché in Baghdad, where they discussed various issues related to economic and trade cooperation, as well as ways to increase bilateral trade volume. Al-Ghurairi emphasized the need to elevate the current trade volume between Iraq and Saudi Arabia, given the new government's commitment to opening up to global economies, including Saudi Arabia, to benefit from their experiences in economic development across various sectors. He also highlighted the importance of supporting the private sector in establishing genuine partnerships with their Saudi counterparts in promising investment projects. During the meeting, the minister directed the Director General of the Ministry's Foreign Economic Relations Department to provide studies on the challenges and obstacles hindering the increase in bilateral trade volume, according to established criteria and indicators in this regard. On the other side, the Saudi Commercial Attaché expressed the kingdom's readiness to support Iraqi products and enhance the level of trade exchange to broader dimensions. He praised the Iraqi industry for its competitive specifications in the regional market. Furthermore, he emphasized his country's logistical support for opening a commercial office at the Arab border crossing to expedite the export of certificates of invoices and origin, thus facilitating trade and commerce between Iraq and Saudi Arabia and serving their mutual interests. In response, the Iraqi minister affirmed that his ministry would expedite the opening of the commercial office once the administrative and legal procedures were completed. And according to information provided by the Iraqi national oil marketing firm SOMO, Iraq exported 344,804 barrels of oil in July 2023. This follows the resumed importation of Iraqi oil into Jordan in accordance with a deal between the two nations agreed in May. According to the agreement, Jordan is obligated to import 10,000 barrels at a cost equal to the monthly Brent crude pricing less $16 per barrel to account for the difference in quality and shipping costs. And cash sales decreased in Sunday's auction held by the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI), with transactions falling to $15 million. Shafaq news agency correspondent reported that CBI achieved total sales of $212,387,010 during its auction for buying and selling US dollars. The bank executed these transactions at an exchange rate of 1,305 dinars per dollar for documentary credits and international settlements of electronic cards, and a rate of 1,310 dinars for external transfers and cash transactions. A substantial portion of the dollar sales, totaling $196,417,010, was allocated to fortify overseas balances through transfers and credits. Notably, the remainder, amounting to $15,980,000, saw a significant decrease from the previous Thursday, which registered cash sales of $53,280,000. Our correspondent highlighted that 8 banks purchased cash dollars in this auction. while 18 banks responded to requests for bolstering overseas balances. Moreover, the auction saw participation from 58 exchange and mediation companies. Thanks, take care.